Greetings everyone, welcome back to Saffron and Cypher's channel.
Yeah!
Alright, so today we have the crocodilians here. We have the Sarcosuchus, Purussaurus, and then we got the Gryposuchus right here. It's my custom paint Gryposuchus. There you go. I couldn't find the original, it's buried down. I think it's still in the box, I didn't open it yet. It's still sealed in its original packaging. There you go. You can't really open the DNA scan anymore because of the sealant, the varnish that I did. But anyways, the reason why I brought this guys out, you know why. We finally found it. The STOMATOSUCHUS. This thing is legendary. Just find it today. Look at, there's the tail piece hanging. It seems loose. Oh wow, it's about to fall off. It's actually loose. Good thing it didn't fall off. Alright, so we also found the Triceratops. We found it together. Oh, okay. It's probably downstairs already. Well, anyways, that'll be the next one. But at least we already found it. So we already complete all of these new wild boars. And let's unbox this new crocodilian right here. Alright, so we're gonna unbox it. Yeah, we need 2 more of these. We're gonna find 2 more. Because we're gonna make it we're gonna do a custom paint and a hybrid. So let's put the tail in. Look at that, full of the spikes. It has more spikes than the Gryposuchus or the Purussaurus. There's the DNA scan, but I don't think it works yet. There's green lights. So apparently it only goes upwards. There you go. Upwards. When you push the button, it has lights on that fat chin right here. And yeah, it doesn't go left and right, definitely just up. Nice lights, green lights. All right, let's compare to the Gryposuchus. So it actually has it's actually bigger, probably the same length as well, same length of the tail, different tail type. Stafford was so happy seeing this today. We were both so happy actually. Now we compare to the Purussaurus. Alright, obviously the Purussaurus is bigger because it's a gigantic trasher. Look at the tail, almost the same. And then the Sarcosuchus, our first crocodilian. Obviously, massive biters here, don't have sounds. Just push the button, I have the brown one downstairs. So, really nice piece here. Look at that, huh? The jaw just goes upward though, it's just the upper jaw that articulates. Just like the Purussaurus here. Yeah, just the upper jaw. However, this one's had both jaws articulate up and down. Just, yeah, wish they found a way to open both jaws articulate, you know, but that's not bad though. That's not a bad thing. So also like I said, we found the Triceratops. Here it is. The new one. Yeah, this should be the next one. So that's already complete. Alright. So there you have it for the day, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. And also, we want to thank you. We have finally reached 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. We really appreciate you guys. Thank you. So, let me put it close to you guys. Look at that. There you go. Nice green eyes, green lights. You don't want to put this underwater, okay guys? Don't do that. You ruin it. You're gonna ruin the battery, the sounds. Yeah, I don't recommend it. The massive biters or gigantic trashers, they're okay. But Wild War, definitely a no-no. Do not put it in water. Look at those right there. Very nice. One of my favorites. Actually, even Saffron's favorite. Right, buddy?
Yes, Daddy.
Yeah. This will be legendary right here. Okay, guys. Once again, we want to say thank you and have a good evening. See you in the next video.